North Korea said it successfully conducted another nuclear test Friday morning.
네, 조금 전에 들어온 소식입니다. 유럽 지중해 지진 센터는 오늘 오전 9시 북한 풍계리 인근에서 규모 5.0의 지진이 발생했다고 밝혔습니다.
Several seismic monitoring agencies detected an earthquake near North Korea's nuclear test site, with a magnitude of 5.3 according to the U.S. Geological Survey.
지금 처음부터 말씀드리면요, 이번 5차까지 했을 때는 상당히 큽니다. 5점, 그러니까 지금 1차가 3.9였고요, 2차가 4.5, 3차 4.5, 그다음에 4.8이었죠. 그러면 이번이 가장 크고요.
Experts say the tremor may have been caused by the explosion, which marks the country's 5th nuclear test on the anniversary of North Korea's Foundation Day, only months after its last atomic detonation in January. Recent successful tests of missiles, including one launched from a submarine, show North Korea is improving its capacity to threaten its enemies. North Korea's leader, Kim Jong-un, elevated his threatening rhetoric in the last few months and made a series of claims about being ready to use the atomic bomb if under attack from South Korea and the U.S. Some experts say Pyongyang now appears to be only 2 or 3 years away from proving the ability to hit the continental U.S. with a nuclear-tipped missile. The latest launch drew condemnation from several countries, including China, North Korea's sole major ally.
North Korea's continued missile launches.
Barack Obama, who was traveling in Asia this week, had just called for China to work more closely with the U.S. to tackle the threat. Earlier this year, the United Nations and the U.S. imposed stricter sanctions on Pyongyang, designed to disrupt its international trade.